Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Comparison of adverbs. Like adjectives, adverbs can also be used to show comparison. Adverbs too have positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Example: Joseph runs fast. Jayant runs faster than Joseph. Kapil runs the fastest of them all. Now, formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adverbs. First, single syllable adverbs add er and est to form their comparative and superlative degrees. Example: fast, faster, fastest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Adverbs ending in ly add more and most to form their comparative and superlative degrees. Examples: slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Politely, more politely, most politely. Third, some adverbs do not follow any particular rule while forming their comparative and superlative degrees. Examples: far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Exercise C. Complete the sentences using adverbs in comparative and superlative degrees. First, Govind doesn't work hard. I work, the answer is harder. Second, these oranges don't taste very well. The other ones tasted, the answer is better. Children, I will give you 5 minutes to complete the rest of the exercise. So let's continue the exercise. Third, my house is far from my school. Ramaya's house is even dash. The answer is father. Father. Kavita lives the dash from the school. The answer is farthest. Farthest. Fourth, Kiran speaks softly. Her sister speaks dash than her. Answer is more softly. Their mother speaks dash of them all. The answer is most softly. Fifth, the Maina sings sweetly. The cuckoo sings dash than the Maina. The answer is more sweetly. The nightingale sings dash. The answer is most sweetly. Sixth, my friends helped me much. My relatives helped me even dash. The answer is more. My family helped me the dash. The answer is most. Seventh, we won the game comfortably. Our team defeated the opponents dash than any other team in the tournament. The answer is more comfortably. Children, we are going to do one extra exercise. Write it down in your notebook. Circle the adverbs and recognize its kind. First, the nightingale sang sweetly. Circle sweetly and write down adverb of manner. Second, he is sitting there. Circle there and write down adverb of place. Third, where is your sister? Circle where and write interrogative adverb. Fourth, Brinda laughed loudly at the joke. Circle loudly and write down adverb of manner. Fifth, when are you going to Delhi? Circle when and write down interrogative adverb. Sixth, get out. Circle out and write adverb of place. Seventh, how did you leave the class without my permission? Circle how and the answer is interrogative adverb. Eighth, the scientist cleverly found a solution. Circle cleverly and write adverb of manner. Ninth, I have searched for my pet everywhere. Circle everywhere and write adverb of place. 10th, the soldiers fought the enemy bravely. Circle bravely and write down adverb of manner. 11th, Rohit is going away tomorrow. Circle tomorrow and write adverb of time. 12th, I have met the principal today. Circle today and write adverb of time.